I can't believe we're finally going to Canada next month.
Me neither. I've wanted to visit Canada for so long.
So, which cities should we go to?
I was thinking Toronto, Montreal, and maybe Vancouver.
That sounds like a lot of traveling. Canada is huge.
True, but we could fly between cities to save time.
Good idea. I've always wanted to see Niagara Falls.
That's near Toronto, right?
Yes, just a short drive from the city. We can rent a car for that day.
Perfect. And in Montreal, we can try real poutine.
You and your food. But yes, it's a must. I also want to visit Old Montreal.
For sure. I heard it feels like a small European city.
What about Vancouver?
I want to see the mountains and maybe go hiking.
Sounds adventurous. Will we have time for all of this?
We can stay for 2 weeks. That should be enough.
2 weeks? That's a long trip. What about work?
I've already asked for vacation time.
Lucky you. I still need to check with my boss.
Let's hope you get the days off.
Me too. And what about the weather? Should we pack for cold or warm weather?
Good question. Toronto and Montreal can be chilly in the spring, but Vancouver is milder.
So, jackets, sweaters, and maybe an umbrella.
Exactly. And comfortable shoes for all the walking.
Should we get travel insurance just in case?
Yes, especially since we'll be renting a car.
And do we need visas?
No, just an ETA, electronic travel authorization. It's easy to apply online.
Great. Have you looked at hotels yet?
Yes, I found some nice places on booking.com.
Are they expensive?
Not too bad. About 100 to 150 Canadian dollars per night.
That's reasonable. Do they include breakfast?
Some of them do. I'll send you the links later.
Perfect. And should we exchange money before we go?
Maybe just a little. We can use our credit cards for most things.
Sounds good. I'm so excited.
Me too. This trip is going to be amazing.